Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Facebook group. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, I wanna let you know guys, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, if you are using Android phone, open Facebook. Now click on the three lines and scroll down. Okay, and look for the groups option. So if you click on the groups, now here you will be able to see all of the the notifications and the post related all these groups you are actually joined. Alright guys, so now if you click on here, you can see these are the actually invitation of joining groups, right? So it's completely up to you if whether you want to join or not. Alright guys, so now I'm just going back. Okay, I'm just going back and I'm just looking for a group where I don't want to stay on, right? So let's suppose this is the group I don't want to stay on. Alright, so now you need to click on the three dot. Here you can see, now in case you want to unfollow the group but still want to be a part of this group, you simply can do this. Alright, so or either you can choose to leave group. So now here you will be able to see that there is another option which is turning off the notification, so you also can do this. So I actually want to leave this group completely, right? So now click on leave group. So that's this is how you can actually leave a group, right? So there are some options I'm showing you, so it's up to you. If you don't want to answer, you simply can close that. Okay, so I'm just clicking next and I'm just giving my feedback. Okay, so this is how you can actually leave from a Facebook group. Alright guys, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.